Invoice number V8979. Today is August 12th, 2025. We are video inspecting the living room fireplace. 13 by 13 flue. Flue was allegedly swept by another sweep. Proceeding down the video inspection portion now. Third stage creosote. First course of flue tile, very thick. Again, very thick, just a sheet of glaze here. You got some physical surface buildup there. I don't believe they went all the way to the top with this brush that they used. Again, more third stage creosote, very thick, complete sheet of glaze. A little bit of an offset in here as well. Oh, there you go. Daylight's back. It does kick a little bit. Complete sheet of third stage creosote here. Prior chimney sweep also did recommend doing a rotary cleaning. And just so we are clear, a rotary cleaning will not remove this type of creosote that is baked onto the inside. This would need a chemical treatment performed in order to remove this in the safest manner and the most correct. You can see there's a slight offset there. Complete sheet of third stage creosote throughout the structure. You know, approximately 15. Down low, it's spotty. Going further up, it gets a lot thicker. Daylight is present. Smoke chamber also does have a lot of third stage creosote as well. What we did find interesting is when we were setting the camera up, this was actually resting on top of the lens. And again, keep in mind, this fireplace was swept not too long ago, and this is a complete screen with a metal bracket going around it with glazing on it as well. There is third stage creosote on the back side of this screen. If this was swept, they would have instantly felt that there was some type of obstruction, and notice that they did not hit the underside of the multi-flue cap. That concludes the video inspection for today. We are approximately 23 feet tall in height. Defects have been observed. All recommendations will follow.